Hello students, welcome back. So this is the last part of matrices and determinants. Now we'll be discussing the next method, that is the matrix method of solving a system of equations. You'll get to know the various conditions, like if you have a singular matrix or a non-singular matrix and it satisfies certain conditions, like adjoint of A into D is 0, or if adjoint of A into D is non-zero, then what happens on the solution of system of equations. Once we are done with this, we'll be switching to the next topic, that is the concept of augmented matrix. So keep watching. Okay, so now we have the next method, that is the matrix method. Consider the equations a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2, and a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. Suppose we have this system of equations, then as we have already discussed, the coefficient matrix, that is the matrix A, is given by A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 and A3, B3, C3. The matrix of variables can be written as x equal to xyz. Obviously the variables here are x, y and z, and the constant matrix is d1, d2, d3. So we denote these matrices by A, which is the coefficient matrix, then X is the variable matrix, and D is the matrix of constants or the constant matrix. Then the equation 1, which is this equation, is equivalent to the matrix equation Ax equal to D. You can just see here, if you write down Ax equal to D, you will get this system of equations. Now multiplying both sides of second by the inverse matrix A inverse, we get, now we had obtained Ax equal to D. So if I multiply this equation on both sides by A inverse, then what do I get is A inverse into Ax would be equal to A inverse into D. This gives me A inverse into A, we know is identity. So Ix equal to A inverse D, which means x equal to A inverse D. In fact, this is giving you the solution of that system. This x was, if you remember, the matrix of variables. So we have xyz equal to A inverse D. Now A inverse we know would be this. This is A inverse into D was this. Now A inverse we know, in inverses we have discussed, A inverse is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A, and adjoint of A is the transpose of the matrix of cofactors. So where these would be cofactors, and this is the matrix of transpose of matrix of cofactors divided by determinant. So this whole value is A inverse, and determinant you already know is A1, B1, C1, determinant of the coefficients. So just remember, this is giving you the solution set of that system of equations, x equal to A inverse D.